And so for everybody, right, earlier, I want to say it was in middle of May, there was a big story that came out, right? It wasn't just that NATO was flirting with the idea of 5% of GDP spent on defense across the entire alliance. They were going to really commit to it. And that was a big deal. And the reason why that's a big deal is if you look, the vast majority of NATO spends nowhere close to that. Honestly, even the U.S. doesn't spend 5% of GDP on defense. We spend like 3 to 3.5, I think is the number that we spend. But you look here, the vast majority of European countries barely were getting to NATO's old target, which was 2% of GDP spent on defense before they upped this spend. And so you just do the simple math, and 2% going to 5% is going to be a big deal for defense contractors if a lot of these countries have to spend a whole lot more. And that got everybody focusing on Rheinmetall. And because of that, Rheinmetall, which for everybody, for context in terms of what Rheinmetall does, Rheinmetall is Germans call it national championship for as a defense contractor.